The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a flagship-tier smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with premium features, catering to users seeking top-tier performance and photography capabilities. It boasts a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of 3500 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, built on a 4nm process, the device offers exceptional processing power and efficiency. Accompanying the processor is the Mali G710MP10 GPU, delivering impressive graphics performance. The smartphone is equipped with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, providing ample space and swift multitasking capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 200MP primary rear camera, complemented by a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 64MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, enabling high-resolution and versatile shooting options. The front-facing 32MP camera supports 4K video recording, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. The device is powered by a 5500 mAh battery, supporting 120W wired fast charging, allowing for rapid power-ups. It also features IP69K water and dust resistance, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and an under-display fingerprint sensor for enhanced durability and security. Running on Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus offers a clean and intuitive user experience, along with 4 years of OS and security updates. With a starting price of approximately $440, it positions itself as a formidable competitor in the premium smartphone market, delivering flagship features at a more accessible price point.